Mel, contest if this straight with me, please. Hey guys, welcome back to Howard's World. It's Howard and today we have a special guest. It's
Melly Dime.
Let's go, let's
get
go.
it. Let's get
so we're out here to just settle the score. You see me? We're settling the score. So we have Juicy.
Yeah.
We have Tasties. We have Mothers. And today we're gonna find out what the best party. Because you know, we've been out here, people that talk and people that said this, people that said that. But you see, because me never say it, you know, count. Because we never say it,
It never count.
alright, let's go.
Alright.
So,
Tell them to comment below which one them feel are the best one. The best one.
the best one.
The
Let's
best.
go.
I can't myself the best one.
Girls, wanna hear that? The best one. Alright,
Best one.
so let's go. Comment down below before we start and just tell me which one you feel are the better one. So, go and look now, comment before we start. Alright, we'll start from here. Let's start from here.
So we can start right now.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ready now.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No. Come on. Shoot, man, shoot.
Yeah.
Rock,
Ready?
rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Let's go. So we're starting from this side. We started. No. One time. It's not
No,
AK.
wait, no,
We don't have rounds. It's a shot in this. Bam! We're going so.
Alright, Juicy
So we start with Juicy. You
Alright.
see me?
Alright.
Wait, before we get into the video, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You
That's
see me?
right.
And go over to her channel
That's right.
and subscribe.
Melly Dime.
I'm gonna leave her channel's link in the
In the
description
description.
right down there.
Yes,
So
sir.
subscribe.
Yes, sir. Give me more questions.
So let's go.
Alright, so the party cool because our Jamaican done 1 hour before we can eat the party.
Let me explain. Let me explain.
So one, the party cool, right?
I don't think that affect the taste of the party. Party or party.
First of all,
But the party not gonna start off. Alright. So Juicy beef party now. Cross to me. A1. It's nice. What do you think? What is
what's the one on? Cross? Should I give them like rating 8 out of 10?
Yeah.
Child, 8 out of 10 with cross. A little bit by cross, taste, and what?
Alright, so it's crush, taste, I don't know, the overall experience. The overall experience, like
what? You just come to eat party, you know.
overall is like everything combined is a like it.
Cool. Alright. Taste. May I eat Juicy party for 7 years now. Because Juicy be down my high school.
A country we come from.
I'm sorry.
Juicy beef everywhere.
I honestly, but yeah,
I'm sorry. I choose Juicy any day.
that's bias.
No, as in
You
because.
don't even taste other party than me. That's
Oh,
bias.
alright. On to the next.
We done?
No, I'm clearing my palate. I'm drinking the water. You can. First of all, she never gonna talk about me come to eat party because when me see her, Melissa go, "But I'm hungry, you know." Melissa said, "But I'm hungry, you know. Ready for challenge?" No. So don't go like, "Are you hungry?"
I'm not sure because.
Me shame because.
Next, what
My brother said, "I'm not going to tell you I'm hungry."
Me, I'm not sure because.
Juicy, you go out and fight. Nah, like, big up yourself. The people that will be at Juicy, big up on yourself. Consistent every time.
9 out of 10. Yeah.
By the way, all of my beef party. So, we'll move on to.
Can I eat beef?
You know beef? You cheese party?
No. I just eat beef.
That was very dumb of you. To answer the taste is patty, me not lie. Feel fat.
Yeah, that patty always puffy.
This feel fat.
Thick.
No.
She's thick.
Fat.
She's thick.
First of all, my patty is not a. I'm not giving it a gender.
Thick.
I'm not gonna say she's
Thick.
and then make people on the internet scandal me say me a eat her. You know the vibe.
It's dry.
Alright, wait no. The crust weird.
Yeah.
The crust weird.
Like, it's hard and it's soft. It's not just me.
The crust weird.
No.
It not work so?
Get
Does it
out
work?
of the makeup.
And does it work?
Teacher, come.
Oh snap! Let's go.
I'm gonna get the beef on. I just beef out.
Yeah, it tastes very flowery. Like it tastes like. I'm gonna try to compare it to someone. You buy communion bread at church? You never buy communion bread? You baptized? It's because I'm saved and covered under the blood of. It's because I'm saved
It's
and
not
covered
nice.
under the blood of Jesus.
It's not nice.
I know how communion works.
Alright. It's not nice at all. No, the
Girl, taste this.
No, but
Taste this. Don't act me now. But I'm a pass.
this is cheese though. Yeah, but
We got beef and I'm a pass on the taste is. Alright. The beef taste.
what tastes the beef?
It just. You know how it. Yeah. You know how it. Listen me? Actually, I'm not lying. But I feel like I shouldn't come from a juicy party. But like, it just now have it. No very buzzy at all.
Not at all. That's it.
I'm not like girl. But it's like.
Pick up man. Next one. Mothers. I'm gonna be a shit for that. Pause. Hold on. Nah.
Commercial break. Guys, first of all,
I'm sorry, God,
you know she a bad milk, but me a big man, you see me? I'm gonna take me it up.
What?
I'm gonna take me it up.
Come. Next one. First of all, it's weird.
This small.
And even that, look on the, it have one crack. It's nasty. It have a crack. That weird. That not weird? That not weird?
And it's not what happens here. No, not your mind, no what happens here.
Alright, cool.
You know belch. In a life, you know belch.
No.
You know belch ever.
Stush.
You're stush. What you do?
Can't do that.
Stush girl, what you do? Una burp, una belch.
No.
Una wallini.
Yeah.
Let belch be free because belch kill something jet leave. Something like that.
Mothers.
Mother's Jamaican party. I mean, mother's first look promising, so.
My pause. I'm sorry. No. Like, like some whole heap of spice and that.
Yeah. It's like
Like a whole heap of flavor.
mothers.
I lick me one time.
You know what? Oh, bad meat. Oh, yeah. Alright, me not lie to you. Me don't want to say, oh no. But it's just like, oh no.
Oh shoot. It's enough for me. I'm sorry. You pass this, me pass this. So I'm honestly like tasting more than mothers. Too much.
Maybe one more break. Probably, you know, probably like the first impression is just not it.
I can do that. It's enough for me. Just I'm hungry. To somebody who likes spicy, then they probably like mothers.
I don't even know. It's just.
So they put in too much something.
Yeah, like them are. Oh yeah, something get away. Some things get away. I don't want something get away.
No tree song get rid of this.
Yeah, man.
Put it on.
It's like when them bake this. It's like a grandmother baking and she send her granddaughter say, go put little salt or go put little seasoning in it.
And they put too much.
And it's just going as just go.
Yeah, and it's swinging out. Yeah, go on.
Alright.
So from
I Alright, so you can make it look neat.
So you can rate them, right?
Yeah, I read them.
So you rate first and then me rate. Out of 10 to each.
Wait. Matthew. Give me some thought. Give me some soup. We're bleeping out that. Give me some. Give me some seconds. Alright, let's go.
You can taste the button?
Sure. Yours. Alright, for me, it's alright. Alright, so. Juicy. Alright, so juicy crust, A1. You see me? Juicy crust, nice. Just flaky. Like a right amount of time this going in the oven for. The beef, juicy like. Yo, juicy, get at me. Get at me. Yo, the beef is juicy, literally juicy. It's not dry, none at all. It's a good patty. I give juicy beef patty a 9 out of 10 right now. But only reason I give it a 9 out of 10 right now is because it's cold. But if it is hot, ready, 10 out of 10 patty.
You know when it's hot, and you have little crumbs on the bag and them crispy.
It just goes up.
Oh God.
Yes. Yo, we don't waste crumbs. We don't waste crumbs down here.
Bad.
We don't waste crumbs. We're not hungry. We just not waste crumbs. This our tasties.
Yeah. Remember it is?
Wait. Oh, taste the one where the crust weird. Taste the crust. Nah, give me no vibe. Nah, give me no buzz.
Which patty you buy first?
I taste one by first now.
And that's why kind of the coolest. Me feel like it just gets soft over time.
No girl.
Me feel so.
I just feel like so.
Me feel like I will pay my first.
Taste is probably a half day. We're catching up on a half day, you know? Over broke down I want service.
3 hours ago, I should have done in the hot sun, what expect?
If you eat up because of sun, the hot sun, you never do maths at school.
Why back? What?
Maths?
It makes sense.
You never do science at school, you never got science class. When science class, I want to go in the bathroom.
Apple.
So, yeah, I give tasties, I'd say a strong 6. Alright, no, no, it was kind of juicy as well. The beef was good. The crust just throw me off.
Okay, buy first.
Yeah. Alright, so I give them a 7. 6.5. Because it's cold. If it is hot, probably a 7. Mothers now. Oh, Madam Spicy. Mothers, crust, good, right? Crust good. But the beef now. There's a bag of things that go on the beef, like. To me, like there's a bag of things that go on the beef. We're not bashing, you know. We're not bashing them. We just say like beef kind of. You know, like a spice get with that beef. It just tastes. And as me say, probably catch up on the half day. Probably oven just want service, you know?
Yeah, the oven, the people that want to bake it.
Yeah, probably the work and then just tired. We don't know.
Today Thursday, you know, you can't wait for Friday come.
You know. But I say mothers get a 5. Mothers is a 5. A strong 5 too. We feel like if it did hot, it would still be a 5 because we just feel like mothers is a 5 patty. So in order, it literally goes in order. It's juicy.
So that's a 9.
Yeah, which is a 9. And only because it's called juicy gets at me. It's and then so tasty is a what, 7.5? What do you do? 7?
6.5 at this rate.
Yo, touch back in play right now. 6.5. Because it's cold. If it is hot, probably a 7. See? That me say.
5.
Mothers!
I agree with you from here.
Feel like some father cook this.
Me, this is an 8.
Nobody?
Right?
I feel like some father cook that. That's not funny? Alright, cool.
I think tasties is an 8 from me. In a bad, it's alright. I feel like if it is hot, it would taste better. Juicy.
You have to taste over it. So if you refresh your refresh your tongue.
I did.
Refresh your taste buds.
First of all, what in this not taste over? Look.
You hungry? You hungry, mama?
9. What's that? 8. 7.5. 5. 6.
You give me a 6?
5.5. Stop influencing my foot.
Yo.
Wow.
This step on like equilibrium. It depend like I just 5. You know up, you know down. It's just a 5. First of all, me go school. Equilibrium mean. Me know me go school. Me go school and them things.
Equilibrium mean.
Yeah.
Equilibrium mean.
Can't call me like that. I know how to use it.
Okay, cool. I still feel like it has potential.
Kid.
This hot probably wouldn't so bad. I mean, would have been better. Would have been better. But it's a 5.5, 6-ish for me. Mothers.
Alright, so let's go. I say 9.
9.
I think it was a 7.5.
6.5.
Alright, cool.
We get to like 7.5.
Alright, cool. And then this is a 5 for me. So this is a what for you?
5, 8.
This is a 8 for you? This is a what for you?
9.
9 too? Why give 9?
Because it's nice.
But why not 10?
Because I've been eating juicy pot in the Clyde.
You're Clyde.
Clyde.
Oh, by the way, guys, English lesson. That word is Clyde, not Clyding. Alright? Just quick English lesson. Like, alright, we back now.
Okay.
And you get this a 5 too?
5.5.
5.5.
Yeah. That potential.
Alright.
That potential. Because people like spices and. Alright, cool. Alright, cool.
Alright, guys. The score has been settled. You see me? Jamaica's Jamaica's 3 main party companies. Winner. Jamaica's 3 main party companies. That was the thumbnail. Yep. Jamaica's 3 party companies. Juicy, Beef, Tasty's party, Mother's party. Out of all them, Juicy got the juicy.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. And that's on party. Yeah. Yes, that's not working. Hey